we don't always have to count the values of the notes in a bar to find out how many beats each bar has in a piece. Each piece will have something called a time signature, which will tell you how many beats each bar has. These numbers are the time signature. They come after the clef and before the notes on the staff. The top number of the time signature tells us the number of beats in each bar. This piece has 2 beats per bar. This piece is in 3/4 time because there are 3 crotchet beats in every bar. The number on the bottom of the time signature tells us what kind of beats they are. A 4 means the beats are crotchet beats. A 2 means the beats are minim beats. And an 8 means the beats are quaver beats. We will focus on the time signatures with a 4 on the bottom for now. These time signatures are known as simple time. 2/4, which is simple duple, 3/4, simple triple, and 4/4, simple quadruple, which is also known as common time and is represented by a C. Now, what is the time signature for this piece? The correct answer was 4/4, because there are 4 crotchet beats in every bar.